Hello, today I'll be making a dandelion leaf risotto, and this is the ingredients you'll need. Arborio risotto, 1 onion, white onion, like 7-8 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, pepper, and like a bunch of dandelion greens. And then I'm going to use veggie broth that I previously made. It has to be warm, so I left it in the pot. I hope you guys try it. Stay tuned. Adding the olive oil and then the onions. Saute for a little bit, like 2-3 minutes. So now I'm adding the risotto. Also saute a little bit with the onions. And now I'm adding a half cup of white wine. You don't have to, but I always did. Add a little bit of parsley, dried parsley with it. You also don't have to, I just prefer. And now we're adding the dandelion leaf. And now I'm going to add hot broth, veggie broth that I made to this. And then I'm adding salt. You need to add like a tablespoon of salt, or as much as you desire, and pepper, black pepper. So now I'm adding more broth, and it's gonna cook for 20 minutes, depending. Just stirring it once in a while. So now the risotto is ready. I'm just gonna add butter. And then I'm going to add the Parmesan. Turn the heat off. So basically I cook this in medium heat the whole time. I don't know if I mentioned that. And I hope you guys try it.